Welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair, where we make HVAC easy to understand. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate cooling heat gain through a window using Manual J Table 3A-1. Here's the example. You've got a 3x5 window on the west side of a house. It's clear double-pane, double-hung metal with no thermal break and has Venetian blinds. The cooling design temperature difference is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll use the formula. BTA = area X, HTM Step 1. Find the area 3x5 = 15 square feet. Step 2. Find the HTM, heat transfer multiplier. From Table 3A1 for a 20 degrees Fahrenheit CTD facing west and SC = 46, HTM = 46. Step 3. Calculate BTA = 15 times. 46 = 690 BTEU, so this one window brings in 690 BTUs of heat per hour in the summer. That's how you use Manual J Table 3A1 for window cooling load. Like and subscribe for more real-world HVAC walkthroughs only on Maryland HVAC Repair.